Hi, welcome back to Weaving with Ambrosia. So today we're just kind of going over multiple project updates and kind of making a little thought board of different things we will be going over the next few weeks. So hopefully this is still a fun video. And don't forget, like, subscribe, share with your friends if you enjoy my content. So basically, what I'm currently setting up on my 8-shaft loom, my floor loom right now, I'm going to attempt my very first summer and winter project. So summer and winter weave, you have one side that comes out dark and the other side that comes out light. So it creates basically a dark backdrop with a light pattern on one side and the light backdrop with the dark pattern on the other. I think it's an absolutely stunning weave. It was very common to use for like pillows and beds and stuff like that because you could actually make one thing and then turn it inside out, and you would have this object that you can transition from a summer color scheme to a winter color scheme. And that's really where it gets its name. It's a very exciting weave structure. And the one I'm working on is going to be for right here for baby blankets, which I'm really, or sorry, burp rags. Burp rags. I'm just going to do a simple straight line finish so that there's just a little bit of fuzzies at the end, which I think will be nice. And that way it can be flipped over depending on what the mother is wearing. So it's kind of a little bit easier to coordinate with things. And I thought that was neat. We'll see if it turns out the way I'm imagining, and I'll make it in a few different colors, I think. So I'm excited about that. After that, my spinning project has been this naturally colored cotton. And I did finally finish spinning and plying it. It's drying right now. This is about 340 yards. No, 430 yards or 340. One of those two. I know that's a 100-yard difference, and you can't really know which one until I get to my notes, but it's one of them. And it's actually it's cute and I like it. It's kind of uneven. It's a little bit subby. You can see it's not perfect, but this is my second attempt at spinning cotton, and it came out much, much better than my first. If you've watched that video, if not, I'll link it. This has come out much nicer, and I'm very happy with it. I can't wait to use it in a project. What project I'll use it in, I don't know yet. I've been thinking about it though, and possibly a baby blanket, because I do plan on making a baby blanket, and cotton is really ideal for that. So yeah, I have people who suddenly just got pregnant in my life, and I was like, oh, okay, I guess I should make you all gifts. So I'm making a bunch of gifts for them. And I know that's going to be some of the content is baby focused gifts, because that's what I'm making. So hopefully that doesn't bother y'all. You can, manipulate it into something else. Y'all are creative. You can do it. After that, my Vogue knitting project, it is coming along the slowest. So as you remember, I have this Vogue book, and I've been working on that knitting project inside. That's absolutely beautiful. I'll show you a picture in just a second. I am working on the front panel. I've completely finished the back panel, which was the easy one, but I'm working on the front panel now, and it's actually done in 2 separate pieces, and then you knit them together at some point. I'm not at the point you knit them together, but it's not making much progress. But I'm hoping to travel soon, and I do more knitting when I travel. At least that's what I find. It's easier for me to do as a craft when traveling. I don't know how much I'll get done though, because it's a very short trip, and I'm a lot of busyness during that trip. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to make more progress on it. But if you don't recall, this is the sweater we are currently working on, the front panel. So this is the part we're working on, where I think we're doing this part right now, and then it connects in the middle, and then it separates. But I could be wrong. We might be starting at the top and then working to the bottom. I don't know. And now I'm concerned that I don't know. Uh, but either way, still working on it. Haven't forgotten it. If you haven't watched that video, I'll link it too. Um, and then lastly is the next project, or one of the projects I hope to start on, is I met somebody who has these two pet alpacas. They're absolutely adorable right here. And I was able to get their fleeces. So I have this chocolate brown fleece and this blonde fleece. I have both, and they are ready for me to literally just do a quick rinse or wash. Actually, they told me it didn't need to be washed because the people at the place washed it, so I might not even do that part. We'll see. I've been waiting for some bags to put it in to wash it to come in, and those haven't come in, and it's been like a month, and I'm like, I don't know if I'm getting those ever. So I might just break down and start combing it and processing it. And I hope to make some videos on that, just kind of the process of it. It is alpaca. I'm super excited about it. And it's absolutely beautiful. When you touch it, it's so light and fluffy. So that is one of the other things I plan on working on. So I do plan on kind of highlighting this summer winter weave, processing of alpaca, doing a baby blanket, and I'm trying to think of what project we should work on after that. Maybe I'll do another video kind of showing the progress I'm finally making on the sweater, only if I make progress, because it just keeps getting pushed to the back burner. I'm like, I won't even be able to wear it until like December or January. So as you can imagine, I'm just like, I have plenty of time, and I just keep pushing it back, and I shouldn't, but I am. Um, but right now, summer and winter is the weave structure I'm really excited about learning and trying. After that, I don't really know which weave structure I want to try and do. Do I want to do some simple twills, or I do want to get to some point where I'm doing some of my own pattern designs that I want to kind of tweak and fix and make better. Uh, but I don't know when I'm going to get to it because we have so many projects in the works right now, and all of them take a lot of time. So let me know which ones you're the most excited about, and hopefully we can kind of work those in. Or if there's a weave structure, particularly on the rigid head loom, because it's going to be locked up for a little while, that you're interested in, maybe I could try to work that in. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm just trying to think of what would be fun. Maybe we'll just do a color weave on the rigid head loom, because those are always fun. I like color weaves. I don't know. You guys, let me know what you think. I'm just happy I got to try to show you the progress I've been making. So I have been doing stuff behind the scenes, and I hope to bring out a few more projects soon, very soon. So keep your eyes open for those videos. And as always, Tuesday, 2 o'clock is when we share the videos. So like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll catch you in the next one.